Hello guys, thanks for being here. This is Sanjay Verma, your mathematics tutor. Today we will discuss trigonometry. What is trigonometry? In this chapter we will discuss about trigonometry and trigonometrical ratios and what is the uses of trigonometry, where we use the trigonometry. So everything we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we will discuss the word of trigonometry. What is the means of trigonometry? Trigonometry word is made up with three words: tri, gon, metron. Tri means three, gon means side, and metron means measure. Basically trigonometry is the study of relationship between side and angle of the triangle. What is the means of it? So trigonometry triangle के side and एंगल का संबंध है जिसके बारे में हम स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, सपोज दैट यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन द फ्रंट ऑफ कुतुब मीनार एंड यू वांट टू मेजर द शॉर्टेस्ट लेंथ बिटवीन द टॉप ऑफ अ कुतुब मीनार फ्रॉम यू. सो in to sort out these types of problem we will use this trigonometrical ratios. So what is basically trigonometrical ratios? We will discuss trigonometrical ratios. We will discuss, so don't get confused, we will make it easier. Okay, let's see. This is a point O and this is a line OA. If we will move it in an anti-clock direction, if we will move this line on an anti-clock direction, it will look like it. Suppose that this point is B. If we draw a perpendicular from B to A, so it will look like this. This is your triangle. And basically trigonometrical ratios work on a perpendicular triangle. Okay, so suppose that this is angle theta and this is angle alpha. So this is opposite side of theta of theta. As you know that we called it perpendicular also. And this is adjacent side of theta. And we called it base. In a Hindi we call it lumb and aadhar. As you know that this is hypotenuse. And we called it Karn in Hindi. If we will figure out this figure, we will get 6 trigonometrical ratios. 6 trigonometrical ratios. What are these 6 trigonometrical ratios? I will tell you. First of all, as you know that for OB we called it hypotenuse. For OA we can say that this is base. For AB we can say that this is perpendicular. Okay, so as I told you, we will get 6 trigonometrical ratios. So let's see what are these 6 trigonometrical ratios. Ratio first, ratio second, ratio third, ratio fourth, ratio fifth and ratio sixth. Okay, ratio first is AB upon OB. Okay. Ratio second is OA upon OB. Ratio third is AB upon OA, and these four are the reciprocal of these, which means this is OA upon AB and OB upon OA and OB upon AB. Basically these six are the trigonometrical ratios of this trigonometrical chapter. Okay, so AB upon OB, as you know that AB is P upon OB is H. Perpendicular upon height, we called it sin theta. Sin theta, this is your first formula. OA is what? Base upon OB. OB is what? Hypotenuse. This is cos theta. AB is perpendicular upon OA. OA is base, is tan theta. And this is B upon P. This is cot theta. This is hypotenuse. OB is hypotenuse upon OA. OA is what? B, which means base, equals to what? Cos sec theta. And last one is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which means cosine theta, cosec theta. Okay, basically these six are the trigonometrical ratios which you have to learn in this chapter. Okay, so as you know that we have a lot of tricks to learn these six formulas. So the famous trick for learning these trigonometrical ratios are Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bhole. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bhole. Okay, Bhole will bless you in this chapter. Okay, so let's see. P upon H, which means perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so we will consider it sin theta. Similarly, base upon height is cos theta, and similarly P, which means perpendicular upon base, is tan theta. And another are reciprocal of these three trigonometrical ratios. Okay, tan theta and cot theta are inversely equals to each other. Okay, which means if we will consider from this side, it is called cot theta, which means B upon P. Okay, similarly this is sec theta, which means H upon B, hypotenuse upon base, and this is cosec theta. Okay, which means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So these six trigonometrical ratios you can learn from this formula, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bhole. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon height. Cos theta is equals to base upon height. Tan theta is equals to base perpendicular upon base. Cot theta is inversely equals to tan theta, which means cot theta is equals to b upon p, base upon perpendicular. Similarly, sec theta is inverse of cos theta. Sec theta equals to h upon b, hypotenuse upon base, and cosec theta equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. For UP board student, we learn like it: lal upon kakka, lal upon kakka. Okay, which means this is sin theta, lumb upon kern, this is cos theta, आधार upon kern, this is tan theta, lumb upon आधार, this is cot theta, आधार upon kern, this is sec theta, kern upon आधार, this is cot theta, kern upon lumb. Identify some more formulas which we already discussed. Okay, as I told you, sin theta is inversely equals to 1 upon cosec theta. This is your formula. Okay, cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta, and tan theta is equals to 1 upon cot theta. You have to keep these formulas in your mind. Okay, so two more formulas you have to learn: sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is equals to cos theta upon sin theta. So these are some basic formulas of trigonometrical ratios. You have to keep these all formula in your mind. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel, and if you like it, then give comment and give me suggestion also. Okay, thank you.